Hey there, hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Java with Visual Studio Code. So first thing you need to do is go to code.visualstudio.com. Make sure it's the blue one, not the purple one. And then just click on this blue download button. So this will take you to this download page. So once your VS Code setup has finished downloading, click on it to install it. Accept the agreement. Click Next, and make sure all of this is checked. So you do want this desktop icon. Click Next, and then just click Install. Alright, so now that you have Visual Studio Code installed, let's go ahead and install Java. So first thing I'm going to do is click on this search and just type in cmd. So this is for the command prompt, and I'm going to type in java --version. Java-version, and as you can see, I get this message, and this basically means I don't have Java installed on my computer. So let's go ahead and close this. And within the same download page, over here where it says Overview on the left side, click on Java, and then click on the first option, Getting Started. And this should take you to this Getting Started with Java in VS Code page. So over here, coding pack for Java, you want to install the one for your computer. So in my case, I have Windows, so I'm going to click on the first one. Alright, so once you've finished downloading the coding pack, click on it to install it. Accept the agreement, and then click Next. So what this coding pack for Java includes is the JDK, or Java Development Kit, the Visual Studio Code, and the Java extensions for Visual Studio Code. In this case, it says OK here because we've already installed Visual Studio Code. So just click Install. Alright, now after you finish installing the coding pack for Java, you can just check this or uncheck it if you want, and then click Finish. In this case, I'm going to check it so that it opens up VS Code. And then one thing I'm going to do is click on the search, type in cmd again, open up the command prompt, and now if I type in java --version or java -version, you can see we now have Java installed on our computer. Alright, so now within our Visual Studio Code, I'm going to create a new file. So you can do that by clicking on this file option up here, clicking New File, or you can just do it here. So I'm going to name it Test. And I'm going to save this on my desktop. So don't forget the file extension. So it should be Test.java. And so we have our file created on our desktop. So here I'm just going to add some starter code for Java. Alright, so I've added my starter code. And as you can see, I have the option to click Run here. But I can also do it from here using this play button. So I'm just going to click on Run. And then you can see our output, Hello World Java. Okay, and another thing you can do is if you want to create a Java project, just click Ctrl Shift P at the same time, type in Java Create, and you should see this option, Create Java Project. Just click on this. For now, just click on the first option, No Build Tools, and I'm just going to create this in my desktop. And for the project, I'm just going to call it Java Project. And here you have a Java project. And within the source folder, you see this app.java. So you can just click on this to run it. And then over here, you can see the output, Hello World, which is from here. Alright, so that's how you set up Java with Visual Studio Code. And if this tutorial worked for you, make sure you give this video a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more coding tutorials. And if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.